Traveling with Bruce. I've got an update today about the Carnival Victory cruise ship. Yesterday, February the 28th, 2019, the ship was at sea returning to Miami from Cozumel when all of her engines and electronics cut out. The ship was dead in the water for over 2 hours. Passengers were in effect on upper decks trying to get fresh air, waiting for things to come back. They were on social media complaining about it, wondering why no one was being told anything. After a few hours, the ship did restore its electrics, and then shortly after that, the propulsion resumed, and the ship returned back to Miami, where she is right now. Interesting news about the Carnival Victory is that she was built in 2000, and she's going in for a refurbishment next year in Cadiz, Spain. 38 days, $200 million refurb, and she's going to be renamed the Carnival Radiance. The question on everyone's mind, though, is between now and next year, when she's going in for a major refurbishment, will she be mechanically reliable, or will this be an ongoing recurrence where power just shuts down? They keep the cruise line close to home. Carnival actually runs the ship on 3- and 4-day sailings only in the Florida and Mexico regions. They don't send the ship on really far trips anymore. We'll have to watch this one to see how reliable she's going to be between now and next year for her refurbishment. Join me Monday to Friday, 5 o'clock Eastern, Saturdays at 2. We talk cruise ships 6 days a week. Subscribe today, hit that bell notification icon, and I'll keep you posted. Talk to you later, everybody. Bye for now.